תודה.
Focus group.
Thank you.
Focus group.
Do
Kabbalists call love the actions we're doing or the feeling in the heart?
Love is called the revelation of the Creator between opposite things, when the revelation of this goodness of love covers the crimes to such an extent that all these crimes increase, enhance the force of love 620 times.
So the actions aren't the thing. The feeling in the heart has to come, the intention.
Yeah, that's a result of the actions, yes.
And that will be called love, that when we have the right intention.
In the intention, you discover the state in which you attain the connection, the unity. Unity is love. Unity is according to the action, and the components and the result of it, of this unity, is called love. Again, it's as a result of connection between all opposite pieces. They're completely opposite, totally. Along with that, they're connected and they ignite each other. They complement both negatively and positively. And then it reaches such a result. PT 17.
The result come from the spiritual result, come in feeling and mind together? Not specifically, but in the end, yes. The end of every degree is that the mind and feeling are revealed together.
I shall advise you to evoke within you fear of the coolness of the love between us. Although the intellect denies such a depiction, think for yourself. If there is a tactic by which to increase love, and one does not increase it, that too is considered a flaw. It is like a person who gives a great gift to his friend. The love that appears in his heart during the act is not like the love that remains in the heart after the fact. Rather, it gradually wanes each day until the blessing of the love can be entirely forgotten. Thus, the receiver of the gift must find a tactic every day to make it new in his eyes each day. This is all our work, to display love between us each and every day, just as upon receiving, meaning to increase and multiply the intellect with many additions to the core until the additional blessings of now will be touching our senses like the essential gift at first. This requires great tactics set up for the time of need.
Now let's have a short workshop. How do we renew every day, renew our love during the day, not just once a day? How do we renew a connection of love between us every day, throughout the day? That we're constantly concerned about that. That's the foundation of building the spiritual vessel, the foundation of revealing the Creator between us. Please, how are we concerned of renewing the love between us? Please, workshop.